Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cheese to Venmo. Let's get started. First of all, open the Venmo app and log in. Tap the three lines or your profile picture to access the settings menu. Select payment methods and tap add bank or card. Choose bank account and link your Chase account by following the prompts. Venmo may send two small deposits to your Chase account for verification. Check your Chase app, note the deposit amounts, and enter them in Venmo to complete the verification process. Once your Chase account is linked, go back to Venmo, tap Manage Balance, and select Add Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Now confirm the transfer and the money will be moved from Cheese to Venmo. It might take 1 to 3 business days to process. And that's it. Your funds are ready to use on Venmo. Thanks for watching.